In today's video, I'm going to teach you tutorial on how to add ElevenLabs voices on Capcut. Tutorial only for Capcut. We'll start right from the browser so nothing is assumed. Open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs and press Enter. From the results, click the official ElevenLabs website to go straight to their platform. Once you're on the site, navigate to the section labeled Voices. This is the hub for everything voice-related on the platform. Next, choose My Voices. That page lists the voices available in your account. If you don't see anything yet, that simply means you'll need to have a voice set up beforehand. But for now, we'll proceed assuming you already have one ready. Click the specific voice you want to use in Capcut. This opens its detail page where you can manage or preview it. Look toward the lower right of the screen for the download button and click it. If the site asks for a format, pick a common option like MP3 or WAV. The file will save to your default downloads folder. A helpful tip here is to rename the file to something clear so you can find it quickly later. With the voice file downloaded, switch over to Capcut. In Capcut, look for the option that says Click to Upload. Select it, then point Capcut to the audio file you just downloaded from ElevenLabs. After a moment, Capcut will import the file into your media area, and you'll see it available for use inside your project. If the upload doesn't appear right away, double-check that the download finished, confirm you selected the correct file, and make sure the format is supported. If you're working with large files or a slower connection, give the import an extra moment to complete. For smoother playback, match your project's audio settings to the file's sample rate, and keep your system volume moderate to avoid misleading distortion while monitoring. If you'll reuse this voice across multiple edits, store the download in a clearly labeled Assets folder so it's easy to import again later. Before you move on with your edit, consider organizing your audio in a dedicated project folder and keeping backup copies. Consistent naming will save time, especially when you're managing multiple voices. And as a reminder, always use voices responsibly, follow the platform's licensing terms, and obtain any necessary permissions. And that's the whole process. You searched for ElevenLabs, went to your voices, downloaded the one you want, opened Capcut, and uploaded it. You're now ready to use that voice in your project. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.